Beach day.
We're like the only people out here. It's awesome.
So we wanted to do a beach day while we're here at the enjoying the condo, which is actually right across the pass right here. And it's lovely because the weather's beautiful. It's mild. What is it, 60 degrees out here?
Yeah, I think it's like 68.
Yeah, it's really comfortable out here, so it's not hot at all.
It's 70. My watch says 70.
70 degrees right here. It feels beautiful.
It
and look,
is a red flag day, so maybe that's why there's not as many people.
it's just the middle of the week. It's today's a Wednesday, and it's the middle of the week. It's Wednesday.
It's the middle of the week. Well, it is.
And we got weather coming in.
But we do have a storm coming in tomorrow, and it's supposed to get really cold. So we're gonna enjoy it while we can. Look at this place.
Yeah. So this is really beautiful right here. All right. So our condo is right there. That first building that you see on the other side of the bridge. So this is what's called Alabama Point. I've got a couple of videos where we came out here before. Robinson Island's over there. That's the Boater's Paradise. You can see you got fishermen out here.
And I got certified to scuba dive right over there. I think we talked about that before.
She got her certification right out there. Yep. And right out past that jetty, that's the Gulf of Mexico right there. So later on, we're going to walk down to the very end and take a look at the Gulf. It's really rough right now, but it is.
Those are my favorite birds on earth.
She loves the birds.
They're so cute.
Sandpipers. And we're just going to enjoy the day. It's actually kind of early. It's 10:30. We had our breakfast and decided let's go have a beach day. We got us a cooler with a couple of beers in there. We got a sandwich for some lunch, and we're just going to enjoy the day out here for a little while and just to kind of enjoy the beach.
I love this.
I do too. So right across the other side of the pass there, it's hard to see, but where those palm trees are, that's a restaurant called The Gulf. We have never been there, and it looks amazing. We actually went there yesterday to have some lunch. We got there about 12:30, I think it was. And a lot
of the wrong time to go.
Yeah, but I mean, there was a lot of people there, but once you get in, we didn't realize it's one of those places where you actually stand in line and order at a window, and then you find a table and they bring it out to you. The line was like from the window down to the beach long, and we were like, nope, not gonna wait in this. So we went down to Dock Seafood, which is another excellent place to eat, by the way. So we wanted to hit that at some point when we're here, but we're gonna go early, like at 11 when they open, so that we don't have to stand there all day waiting for lunch. But it looks great. It's built out of containers, like Connexes. That's the way the outside of it looks. So it's pretty neat. Just there's a lot of great places here to eat. There's restaurants everywhere, especially if you like pizza. It seems like there's pizza joints on every corner here.
Darn. We hate pizza, but we'll try pizza. You see it?
I see them. Abby's been watching the pass, and she sees the dolphins out there, the dolphin fins. Yep, you can see a couple of them out there. I know the GoPro ain't showing them. I can't zoom in out there, but they're out there. All right, they're getting closer. There were some right in front of us here. Yep, there's one that broke there.
There's a little baby one.
A baby dolphin. They're very close to the shore here now. There's one out there.
That was the little one.
Is that the little one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And some trainers.
There's some of the military jets. Oh, there he is right there.
Yay!
And they're drawing a crowd.
That's what I come out here for. I'm really jumped. You don't want to be zoomed into your face?
No. I'm redoing this because I had it zoomed in from looking at the dolphins there. But all right, so we've been out here for a few hours enjoying ourselves right over there, right along the pass. We had us a couple of beers. That was nice. We had us some lunch. And we got all packed up, put everything back in the car. We're walking down the boardwalk here to go down to the Gulf. We're going to check that out. It is it's very windy today, so I know the wave action is going to be high. It's going to be really pretty down there to see this.
Oh,
And there's a helicopter coming.
It's not a lawnmower, but
you know how it goes. Abom video.
Okay, 3 hours later, we're still walking. I'm just kidding. It's a really long one.
It's good. We're getting some steps
I
in.
know. I'm happy about it.
It's like a trail. It's like a nature trail. You know-
And I got a new Apple Watch for Christmas, so it's tracking me.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
She wanted a new Apple Watch. She's been trying to get me to get one too. I've never had an Apple Watch, but she did. Actually, she got me a watch. So look at that. She got me a Luminox for Christmas. She saw me checking that watch out at the store,
Scoop it up.
and she surprised me with it at Christmas time. So this is a good watch that I can wear anywhere and not really worry about the water getting on it, you know, get in the pool or whatever, because my other watch has a leather band.
Ooh-wee, that's rough.
Look at the pass out there, man.
Oh.
It is rough.
It is a red flag today, so
They recommend not getting in the water.
they do.
Double red flag means do not get in the water.
Correct.
So we made it out here, and you can see how nice this area is. You got this whole pass side that you can hang out there. Right over there is the Gulf. We're gonna walk over there because man, you can just hear how loud it is over there with the waves. But you got this little area here too that's really cool. This little rounded section, and then that's the pass. I want to come out here and look at the wave action. Look at that choppy action out there.
The difference between that and this
Yeah.
is funny.
By the way, we're still testing out the new Rode Go, wireless Go, so I'm hoping all these videos turn out good and it's not too windy. I do have I have the little fuzzy windsock on the mic there as well, as you've probably seen.
Which looks so cute.
Abby loves it. So I'm really hoping the audio turns out. This is going to be a true test because it is pretty windy out here.
Wow, that's serious wave action.
So as beautiful as this is a highly dangerous area right now to try to get out in. There's been a lot of boats that's coming down through the pass, and they get out the bow right here and they turn around and go right back. If I was on a charter, I certainly I would not want to be going through this today.
No, you'd be chucking over the side if you were on a charter doing it.
I'd have 2 life jackets on. We're gonna walk over toward the end of the jetties here and check out the wave action there. You can see where a lot of the jetties have kind of worn away. They're probably buried under the sand. That's the jetty system, and it should come right along here. And then you can see the end of it right here on the bank. I think that's going to be about it for today's little adventure out here at Alabama Point.
I want to go back and go to the pool.
I think we're going to go back and go to the pool. Look at the water's coming up right there.
I don't blame him for screaming. It's crazy right here.
It is. It's just a little chaotic right here, but everybody's out here having fun. There's a lot of people that's down here on vacation right now from the north. You see a lot of out of state license plates over there in the parking lot. There's a beautiful spot down here. It really is. So if you get to come down here to either Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, or Perdido Key, this little stretch, come out here and check out this beach here. It's really pretty.
Or Pensacola Beach.
Well, Pensacola
Even though
Beach.
There's a little thing with it now.
Well, we're not on Pensacola Beach, so I wasn't promoting that.
Okay.
But we love Pensacola Beach. That's more home to us than this area. But this is really only 30 minutes from the house out here for us. But this is a good spot. This is my favorite spot to come out to the beach.
Agreed.
Down here to Orange Beach. Ready to get on back?
Let's do the 10-mile hike.
All right, we got a long hike ahead of us. All the way back over there by the bridge. But we've enjoyed our day out here, and we're gonna go finish out the rest of our day at the condo and probably go by the pool.
Yes, the pool.
Yes, the
indoor
pool. Yep, we got the indoor heated pool we're gonna go enjoy. Take our cooler down there with us.
I think we should get some dinner.
Let's go to dinner. I think we're gonna try the little Irish pub here.
Yes, we are.
We've never been there, or I don't. Did you say you've been there?
I've been there once.
I've never been there, but I did the reviews, and they said they got some good chicken wings there.
Oh my gosh, you love chicken wings.
I do.
And beer.
And beer. They got some good beer there too.